I'm back with another thought of the day. Here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is physical beauty can be lost with marks of age, but spiritual beauty cannot be destroyed. I repeat my thought. Physical beauty can be lost with marks of age, but spiritual beauty cannot be destroyed. This thought means the beauty of how we look can be lost by certain age, but the beauty of our heart or the goodness of our heart cannot be lost. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos. Bye. Have a good day.